How to create a business profile on Google Maps. So in this video, I'll show you how you can go and add your business to Google Maps. And this will work on both mobile and also computer. So first thing we need to do is open up the Google Maps app on your phone. Make sure you're signed into a Google account by clicking on your profile icon in the top right hand side. So as you can see, I'm signed into a Google account like this. Now once you're signed in, click on Business in the bottom right hand side of the app. And then you can click on the plus icon in the top right hand side. Now this is where you can go and create and add your business to Google. So start by typing out your business name, and you can also select a category as well. Now go and press Next. If you have a physical location such as a shop front or a store, then you can add your address by clicking Yes. But if it's an online business, you can press No instead. Now if your business is a service-based business, then you can add the areas that your business covers. So this is really good for SEO, and it basically helps customers find your business. Now do bear in mind that you can add more than one area as well. You can then select which region your business is based, and you can essentially continue going through these steps, adding your contact information. Now finally, you may need to enter a mailing address. Bear in mind that this can be your personal address used to verify the Google Map listing. So continue to keep going through all of the steps on the screen. Once you're finished, you'll be taken to this page here. And in order for this Google Business Profile to be public and visible to other people, you need to make sure that you verified the business profile. So like I said, you can usually do this with your personal home address. And where it says get verified, just make sure you go in and complete these steps. And that will allow your Google Business Profile to be visible to other people.